In this video, I am going to discuss about best books for English and Pedagogy for CTET Paper 1 and CTET Paper 2. Also, this will help you for your West Bengal Primary TET preparation and West Bengal Upper Primary TET preparation. And this will help you for preparing WBCS, Rail, Bank, UPSC, SSC, Group C, Group D and different miscellaneous exams. English can be divided into three sections: grammar, vocabulary and reading comprehension. You have to study grammar and vocabulary simultaneously 1 hour for each. First of all, to understand the exam pattern and question pattern, must buy previous year question paper book with solutions, or search Google to find previous year's question. In this regard, you can select any book that is English language and pedagogy for CTET and TETs for paper 1 and 2 from Arihant publication or Pearson publication or McGraw-Hill publication. Next, to clear the theoretical concept of English and pedagogical issues, you can buy Pedagogy of English from Nilkamal publication, Pedagogy of English by Dr. N.R. Sharma, Pedagogy of English by Dr. Maloyendu Dinda from Rita publication, and Pedagogy of Language Teaching with a Perspective of English from Aheli publishers. Whether you are choosing a private sector or a government sector, English is a common subject in most of the competitive and entrance exams. Objective General English by S.P. Bakshi or Objective General English by Dr. R.S. Agarwal or Bikas Agarwal are the best choices. This book is also ideal for preparing for NDA, Bank, PO, MBA, UPSC and other important competitive exams. Just make sure that you check the syllabus of your exam properly before buying these books. For vocabulary, you can start with Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis, mainly for development of vocabulary. Also, try to search Google for unknown terms or concepts and take notes. Use English to Bangla Dictionary app, watch history and revise unknown words whenever possible is for memorization. High School English Grammar and Composition by Ree and Martin, or a textbook of higher English grammar, composition and translation by P.K. De Sarkar are the best book for English grammar and composition. Any one of these books is sufficient for most of the exams. We knowingly or unknowingly practice reading comprehension. Whenever you read a news in English, it is reading comprehension. This book, English Grammar and Composition from Arihant publication, can be your best choice. This book contains more than 10,000 sentences, 7,000 solved questions and 7,000 words knowledge and 550 solved exercises. The set of 3 books, Essential English Grammar or Intermediate English Grammar by Raymond Murphy, Advanced English Grammar by Martin Hewings. Reading and solving this book thoroughly will really help you the most. In competitive exams, it is vital to learn various short tips and tricks to reach the answers speedily. So, for this purpose, you can have these 2 collections, that is English language chapter wise solve papers from Iran publication or SSC English topic wise solve papers by Disha publication. Achievers, Pesapopes, Jubokisti, Mahindra's Current Affairs are the best monthly magazines available for general English preparation. You must try reading good English content like editorial articles. You can buy any newspaper from The Hindu, The Indian Express, Times of India, Statesman, The Telegraph, etc. Or just try to read article daily on your mobile app. You must have this collection, that is Oxford English Dictionary. And this is the world's most trusted dictionaries. So these are all the best books for general English and pedagogical issues. Don't forget to comment which book you like the most or prefer for your upcoming exams. I hope this discussion may help you for your future preparation. Thank you and happy learning.